Hi guys, how to link or navigate between pages in HTML and CSS. It's really simple. Let me show you the preview. So on the left side we have our basic code and on the right side we have our output. If we go to our file section, as you can see we have two HTML documents here. The tutorial.html is our main page and the about us is our second page. Let's get back to the code. This is our main page. Let's add the page link button. Less than a for anchor tag, href equal to double quotation, space greater than, then the text about us same, less than slash a greater than. Inside the href we will mention the second page name. Our second page name about us.html. Now give this link a class name, class equal to double quotation, suppose au button. Let's see what we have so far. Save, reload. So we have our about us text here and it's totally functional. See, now to customize it, go to the style section, call for the class, this one, .au button, opening brace, closing brace, give it some space, background dash color, suppose black, then the text color white, padding 8 pixel height and 16 pixel width, border radius suppose 5 pixel, then text dash decoration, clone, none. This will remove the underline from the text. Save, reload. Now to add hover effect, again call for the class, clone, hover. Inside, suppose we want to change the background color of the button when we hover. Save, reload. So our hover effect is working and it's perfectly linked to the second page. Now if we click on this text, we will go back to our main page. We use the same method at the second page. Let me show you. This is our second page code and this is the link. This one. Reach out to us. So guys, that's how easily we can link between the pages in HTML. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.